say, live on in living color. No. All of the people who know say I work hard for your own. You understand? Doing the struggle may rough sometimes, you still work hard for your own. Now one here. Now one here. No easy like drop. My heart, me tell her. You hurt me. What's that in the back? I mean, I said I'm born with natural brown skin and so tattoo fit me. You see any girl too black or ugly? No bother with it. No do it. Yeah. Think all my fire, my old crutch and I have a new crutch now. So my swag is up there. Murder on in the news. I heard that last week Sunday somebody got boxed at Town Talk. Further on in the news. Jump again, son. So Sean Bush.
We still not go run them all them go run with. We say Starlight made it seven. Because we are good.
No one not giving up here for putting on the sun. If me can't ride good, me I buy 2 Cialis tablet. Me not afraid for telling no. If my girl tell me say me frap, me start going to the pharmacy. No girl can't say me frap, you know why? Yeah. You get to you, me want to know for them. What on? No fussy. Remember the cartel assassin war? Me think said they are back again. Me don't know somebody tell me on the computer.
You understand what I talk about? So let's do the request to all them get to you the right now.
Every hot skull, no listen to bad mind talk. You see your pagan self.
Ready!
And everything where it all goes. So look out for bad mind friend. Enough time is a life and feel too much good people.
Big up Cap Gaza on the building!
So me
here's a fresh shit, hey! Well on the morning! Not like Sunday, every Sunday! Next week Sunday, my shoes pinting round there! Hey! We're gonna start early! Your persecutors is young! Say the next thing too! Because all like people we know say they love them life and I don't want nobody rap proud them life. And this me I say, I'm a brother.
I love my life, I love my life, I love my life.
I want to look up brother this and nobody can rap proud him. I'm gonna tell you so we love our life. No. Play back! J.O.P.
That's not call name. Equinox.
Pick up the real girls, you know, say you just peck with a boy, girl, and I'm not that, eh? Try to move for something. You know, the summer for we and the girl, you want and we made it for the summer, what I
Done them, we no worry about them pagans. We done see them true Ray-Ban. Done them, we no worry about them roaches. Cause we done have a vegan. You know what Bugler represent done them entertainment, you know. Present a thing when him ink. So come out and be colored. Hear me I say, April 29 inside Town Talk. Music by Nitro, DJ Tyrone, DJ Flatline. Hear me I say, man, tickets are only $15.